Welcome dear students in your online class. Today my class is 5 subject English. Topic is preposition. What is the topic of the day? Preposition. First of all we will discuss the meaning of preposition. What is preposition? Preposition, it is a word that is used before a noun or a pronoun connecting it to another word. Dear students, look at the box and board. Now, what is this? This is a board. And what is this? This is a box. Now I place the board on the box. Now where is the ball? The ball is on the box. Now on. On is a preposition. On is a preposition. It tells relationship between a ball and a box. It tells where the ball is. The ball is on the box. Both are ball and a box are nouns. Okay dear students, now look at another example. Now I will put the ball in the box. Now where is the ball? The ball is in the box. Now in is a preposition. It tells where the ball is. The ball is in the box. These are also we call position words. Okay dear students. Now students, we will discuss the types of prepositions. There are so many types of prepositions, but here we will discuss only 4 types of prepositions. First of all, we will discuss the prepositions of time. Prepositions of time. Prepositions of times indicates when something happens or happened or will happen in the future. Now, these are prepositions of time: in, on, at, before and after. Now, prepositions of place. Prepositions of place. Prepositions of place indicates the position of something or someone. The main prepositions of place are in, on, at, above and behind. Now next, prepositions of movement. Prepositions of movement. Prepositions of movements indicate in which direction something or someone is moving. Now the main prepositions of movement are to, across, into, from. Now the last one is prepositions of agent or instrument. Prepositions of agent or instrument indicate an action conducted on something or someone by something or someone. The main prepositions of agent or instruments are by and with. Now dear students, there are some sentences and we have to choose the correct preposition in these sentences. Now let's start. First preposition is the clock is dash the wall. Where is the clock? Look at the picture. Here is the clock. Where is the clock? Yes, the clock is on the wall. We will write preposition on. On. This is preposition of place. On tells where the clock is. The clock is on the wall. Okay, students. Now, the next sentence. The carpet is dash the floor. Now look at the same picture. Where is the carpet? The carpet is on the floor. On tells position or place. We will use on. Next, third sentence. She hid herself dash the curtain. Where did she hide herself? Look at the picture. Yes, behind the curtain. Here, it tells place, behind. We use preposition behind. Okay, dear students, now fourth sentence. Ajay plays dash his friends. Look at the picture. Ajay is playing with his friends. Whom does Ajay play? With his friends. We use with. Preposition with. Next preposition. Sentence is the stars shine dash night. Look at the picture. The stars are shining. When the stars shine? Yes, at night. It tells time. At. Tells time. Next sentence. The cow is dash the shed. The cow is dash the shed. Look at the picture. Where is the cow? Yes, in the shed. In tells where the cow is. It tells place or position. In. We use preposition in. Now, next sentence. We cut nails dash a nail cutter. Look at the picture. With instrument. We use preposition with. Now, next sentence. The sun is dash the sky. Look at the picture. Where is the sun? The sun is in the sky. In. It tells place or position. In the sky. We use preposition in. Now the last sentence. The cricket match is dash India and Pakistan. Look at the picture. How many teams are there? Yes, there are two teams, India and Pakistan. We use preposition between for two things, two person, two places or two objects. There are two types, two teams, so we will use between. Now, dear student, you have to write these preposition in your notebook. Thanks for watching this video.